Do you say I work or I works? What about she work or she works? If you're not sure, don't worry. In this lesson, I'll show you exactly how to make positive sentences in the present simple. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Hanan. In our previous lesson, we learned why and when we use the present simple. Today we're going to learn how to make positive sentences in the present simple. We'll learn the structure, the important rules, and lots of examples. So, let's get started. Okay then, to make a positive sentence in the present simple, we usually use subject plus verb plus complement. For example, I work every day. We live in France. They play football. You speak English every day. So, with I, you, we, and they, we use the verb in its basic form. So let's have a mini practice. Complete the sentence. They English every day. Okay, the answer is they speak English every day. And now we have one important rule. When the subject is he, she, or it, we usually add s to the verb. For example, she works in a school. He plays football. She likes coffee. He lives in London. It works well. And now it's time to learn 3 important spelling rules. And don't forget that we are all the time talking about the subjects he, she, and it. So, rule number 1. Most verbs we add s to the verb. For example, read, reads. Eat, eats. Buy, buy. For example, she reads every evening. Rule number 2. Verbs ending in s, sh, ch, o, x, we add es. For example, watch, watches. Finish, finishes. Go, goes. Miss, misses. Fix, fixes. So with these verbs, we usually add es. For example, he watches TV every evening. Rule number 3. Verbs ending in a consonant plus y, we add ies. For example, try, tries. Cry, cries. Study, studies. So if a verb ends in a consonant plus y, we change y to ies. Example, she studies English every day. But be careful. If a verb ends in a vowel plus y, we simply add s. For example, play, plays. Enjoy, enjoys. Let's practice together. Complete the sentences. I English every day. Okay, I study English every day. She English every day. Okay. She studies English every day. They football on Sundays. Okay. They play football on Sundays. He TV every evening. Okay. He watches TV every evening. We in France. Okay. We live in France. Good job. And now it's time for a quick recap. So, with I, you, we, and they, the verb always stays in its basic form. For example, I work, they play. But with he, she, and it, we usually add s to the verb. For example, he works, she plays. So if you remember these important points, you already know the most important rules for positive sentences in the present simple. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to make positive sentences in the present simple, and you know also how to use the verb correctly with he, she, and it. If this lesson was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel for more English lessons, and don't forget to check the description. I've prepared a free PDF worksheet so you can practice what you learned today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!